Happy New Year.
Use the right two lanes to take exit.
Mommy T, say hello to my YouTube friends.
Hello, friends.
Good morning and welcome to another vlog. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Kenny. I'm a new and upcoming YouTuber based in Ottawa, Canada. And today is the 31st of December 2024. I'm currently in Atlanta, Georgia, United States of America, to visit my twin sister. So I'm talking slowly because she's in the room sleeping and she's a very light sleeper, so I don't want to shout or talk too loudly so I don't wake her up. I need to help her with some things. I'm seeing some things that I can't just take my eyes away from, so I want to help her with some organization, arrange some things in the house because she's a very, very busy person. She hardly have time, to do some things by herself. So, and whenever I come to visit her, I usually help to, with some little things that I can help her with. She's still sleeping right now. Like I said, it's currently 7 something. I think it's 7:05 or 10 minutes past 7. I really can't see, but I'll be starting with the kitchen. I brought some things for her from Canada, so I want to help her to she told me already to help her arrange her pantry, so I'll be starting with that this morning. Come with me as we do some organization this morning. I don't know, for whatever reason I can't touch my face. These are all the things I got for my sister from Canada. Some she puts away already, so I'm going to arrange all that for her over there. I just arranged this place, so I'm still moving on. I'm trying to put our baking stuffs together, the spices separately, and every other thing, like put them all separate. Hi guys, how are you all doing? I'm currently heading back to the apartment because my memory card for the camera is full, and I thought I transferred all the videos I had on the memory card to my laptop, but apparently it didn't work because when I tried to put on the camera, it keeps saying that the SD card is filled. So I need to get back to the unit to get my laptop and try to redo the transfer to be sure that I did it correctly this time. So that is where I'm headed to now. Mommy T! Mommy T! See my auntie! Mommy T!
I love you. I said that daddy. Ọmọ ńkọ́. Adúpẹ́ fún ọdún tuntun ra nílá yàtọ̀ àdá.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Adúpẹ́. Ọmọ méjì. Okay. So happy to see you. Àbúrò mi tó sùn. Okay, sweet.
Mommy T. Oh, rí wọn.
It's not live. Mommy T.
Ìyàwó Aláàjì, àwọn mi tó bóyá fine. Yes, ma. Amen, ma. Can I see the menu?
She's from Canada, so she's not used to us. My common number is spicy chicken. So fẹ́. Àbí wo ló fẹ́? Kọ́ tó lè dé náà ni.
Alright, that's my birthday.
Thank you.
Canada?
Yeah,
Look at him.
Canada. Okay.
We have your food coming, okay?
Okay. My money, she's from Canada. She doesn't know. So what do you have? We must have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
But I do know for a fact the code. Ó fine mọ̀ mi tí. Bọ̀ kí ni ẹ rà tí ẹ bá ra kí ni TV stand yẹn ẹ gbé sórí ẹ̀. Good morning. Today is the 2nd of January 2025 and I'm currently at my auntie's place. My sister shipped me to my auntie's place. Oh, she's back. Okay, so and we've been running some errands together. Mommy T, show ma. Mommy T, say hello to my YouTube friends.
Hello, friends.
That's
Happy
my
New
Year. All right, so I've been out and about with her. We're currently running some errands, and we've been going to different stores, doing some retail therapy. So I'm going to be with her for 3 days. Spend some time with her to catch up because I don't know when next I'll be seeing her. I only get to see her when I come to Atlanta. So any opportunity to spend with the family, I grab hold of it. So this area is my auntie's estate. So she's been giving me a lot of information about this estate, and this place is so beautiful. Maybe in the evening when I have some time, I will take my time to come down and take a walk in this estate. This is so beautiful, and she's telling me that they are still building some houses which are being sold. And can you imagine, these houses are being sold for $300 US. You can never get this one in Canada. Kò sí mo yọ̀ ṣubú lórí stairs ni. Yes ma. Ma? Kí lẹ rí?
Ó bá ti tọ́ náà náà. Ìmọ̀lẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ sí wà ń bẹ̀kẹ̀.
Kí ló dé?
Ṣé o fẹsẹ̀ ó miscalculate? Ó miscalculate ẹsẹ̀.
Ó yọ ni.
Socks ṣé socks yẹn wà kíní ni?
Mi tẹ̀ mọ́.
Ebi tó wọ̀ lánàá náà ni.
Orí tí ẹ̀yìn ni
Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Ọlọ́run mo sáré.
Pẹ̀lẹ́. Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Ẹ̀yìn mi.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ tó bá dé tó máa bẹ fi kíní páàsì yẹn sí. Ṣé kámẹ́rà ẹ̀ ò gbé ẹ?
Àwọn ọwọ́ mi bí bàyọ̀ bó ìbàyọ̀ mo fi lélẹ̀.
Ojú rẹ̀ gan ni ò pẹ̀lẹ́.
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ngàn nílé ni?
Mo gbọ́ mọ́ kàn ní pé yá nǹkan jábọ̀. Wọ́n mọ ní kí nìyẹn.
Mo ṣẹlẹ̀ rẹ́rìn ní ẹ̀wọ̀ àyà mi ti já mo rò bẹ́ẹ̀ wá ní jẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀ àti bíbá ìbò tó bá lọ. Mo ní tí ṣe ìṣubú o.
Ọgbọ́n ní ṣe òótọ́ náà ni.
Ṣé ìṣubú o?